Amsted Automotive is an international company. We're a little bit under the radar, and we're a little broader than automotive. We serve the automotive, commercial vehicle, off-highway, and industrial markets with components and systems for powertrain. The last years have been extremely dynamic from a number of perspectives, from COVID to strikes to supply chain issues. We've adapted well to those bumps in the road and kept our customers supplied without disruption. One of the key trends that's really occurring in our industry is the transition from internal combustion engines to EVs. Projections and the development have accelerated over the last few years. We have adapted to that to address these emerging market needs. In our Amsted Automotive intellectual property portfolio, we have a number of fundamental technologies that can be applied in different ways. So we have found ways to apply that technology into the propulsion system for electric vehicles with the new requirements. The speeds are higher, the torques are higher, and the requirements for synchronization, for example. And we've been able to pivot our technology and our resources so that we can address new needs of these electric vehicles.
Our latest technologies are associated with the evolution of our controllable mechanical diode in DCC clutching systems. So these technologies have evolved now for electrified vehicle space, and they're being used not only as shifting elements in multi-speed transmissions, but also used for disconnects, for disconnecting unused electrical motors from the drivetrain for efficiency reasons.
Amsted Automotive is unique in that we combine our propulsion systems engineered solution technology with a range of vertical integration in a number of process capabilities.
Some of the advantages of vertical integration is that we have the in-house expertise for all of the components that go into the design of our clutching systems. This allows us to design, produce, and supply clutching systems to our customers in a more efficient manner. We have in-house capabilities for advanced metal forming, cold forming, high-precision metal stamping, powdered metal compaction, as well as automated assembly systems. The vertical integration allows us to keep costs in-house, which in turn allows us to provide a more competitive piece price to our customers.
The electric vehicle market that we're moving into is characterized by more low-volume launches, and we have had to adapt our operational strategies to be able to address these low-volume launches. Our propulsion systems business unit provides an engineered solution for our customers. However, our process business units have to adapt to low volumes, and we have had to look at new processes that we might want to bring into the family. The most recent addition to the Amsted Automotive portfolio has been a company called SMW Manufacturing, which gave us new capabilities with cold forming processes for complex shapes, and we expect to see the need for those across the complete electric vehicle, not just in the propulsion system. We acquired InnoSpin, a small business unit using net forming technology, spin forming, to create components with a minimum metal utilization, which we think will have great opportunity across the automotive space. So we're continuing to expand the scope of Amsted Automotive through our diversification efforts and the new acquisitions that we've made. We've also been successful in launching our first electric vehicle customer with the axle disconnect, and we're looking forward to launching a second one in aerospace in the coming years. Whilst those constraints to the speed of electrification are apparent, we'll continue to support our customers on the internal combustion and conventional transmission side by continuing our research and development and our solutions to address high efficiency needs, as those powertrains will be around for a decade or so. Amsted Automotive has a high degree of engineering in its DNA, and the industry is facing an unprecedented amount of creativity and innovation to create the new solutions for electrification. This excites the whole organization, and we're optimistic about how we can play a role in that. I think the future is very bright for Amsted Automotive, and I'm excited to get back to work with my colleagues in person so that we can innovate and create together.